I'm Leo Carvalho. I'm a director of the operation for Solinftec. Solinftec is a Brazilian company that was founded in 2007, and we are located in 19 countries, and we are running our automation solution in row crops, sugarcane, cotton, and different kinds of the crops. So there is the robots for scouting that you are bringing for here. This version can do all the scouting process. We can see all the crops, we can see the stage of the weeds, we can understand how good it is, the health of the plants, and bring all this information and send for the farmer to take a better decision. All these robots, it is 100% electric and is autonomous. The idea is leave these robots on the field to bring information for farmers to understand before to take information. And another robots that you are launched today, it is doing the same things, the same platform, but you are adds bumps that they can make this process for scouting and see and spray weeds as well at the same time. We are using those robots for corn, soybeans, cotton, wheat, and canola. All these crops that you are running in Brazil, Canada, and US. So we believe that this new technology need to be democratic. Depends how big it is the farm. If the guy starts for 500 acres, we believe these robots will fit in their farm. So if they want to have this one, he can get in our website, solinftec.com. We have a space there talking about the robot, and you have a sales team just receiving these information. We are select a few of the weeds that you would like to identify. So the first thing is the accuracy that you have right now is up to 90% of the identification of weeds. And we have as well another sensor that you can identify everything that have in between rows. So with these main important things, we can solve more than 95% of the problems that the farmers has talking about the weeds. I believe that have a lot of difference in the situation, the traditional way that you are doing right now with this one, because autonomous probably you can save your time. You don't need to be there on the field. The second thing, you are helping the environment as well, because it's 100% electric, no gas using on this, no fuel consumption. The third thing it is the information that the robots can capture, it is good accuracy and don't need to go to the field. So this information that you need to select what kind of the inputs that you need to do come through the technology, not someone understand what's happening on the field. And another thing is this is the future. We believe that the biggest problem that you have probably you solve with the small machines on the field, but in big quantities. This technology in spray is pretty amazing. We understand that's the correct concept, but the wrong machine. But because if you keep in use the same machine, you keep having the same troubles for the big machine, the compaction of the soil, the fuel consumption, the labor, and the quality of the application. So you don't change the way that the guys are doing. We are just add one technology that solves a part of the problem, not the entire problem. So when you have autonomous robots running there, we can solve 100% of the problem. As I mentioned, this new technology, we believe that need to be democratic to give access for every farm in different regions. So the same platform is running in different countries and solve different problems. I believe that's the most important thing. It is put money in the pockets of the farmer and help the environment at the same time. We have right now we sold 30 units for a sprayer, and we are planning for next year 150 to sell here in North America parts.